All right, so no, today we're not doing a read through of that story. No, I just didn't get around to it. But we're doing a video. So we're going to talk about cleaning outlet covers because this is a topic that is very near and dear to my heart. So as you can see, they didn't bother paint. When I moved in here, everything is nice and kind of white. You know, they kind of painted that. But what was weird was the outlets did not. You know, it kind of was like, what is this weird color? It's kind of off, right? And the reason is because this was the original paint, right? And that matches a lot better. It's this kind of off. I think this is called almond or ivory or something. I don't know. It's not white. Like, that's white. Okay. But that's not, right? So the point is, it was kind of off-putting to me, you know, that, you know, everything's kind of white and then these weird covers just look weird. And I don't know, you could replace them, who cares, it's not that big of an issue. But what I noticed was that they were kind of grimy. So if you just clean them, like these have been cleaned, right? Let me get out of the way here. They're actually not so bad. So I just used a toothbrush, a little bit of damp, whatever, like some whatever soft cleaner, and you just brush it in there and that's it. Now, of course, I kind of got shocked once or twice. You know, I kind of got shocked, and it wasn't like a blast or anything, but you felt a little tingling, like, oh, that's not good, you know? So I guess don't use too much water, but yeah, that's it. So just clean outlet covers if you're obsessively weird about these things. Because it does make it, because I don't like this color anyways. It just has this, I don't know, it's just, what is this? You know, it's just this manila color. Like, even with the old paint, it just has this old look to it. Is this even... Oh, boy. Yeah, it's like, what is this color? You know? What is this color? It's just like, I don't know. But anyways, if you clean it, it looks a little better. Like, it really does. Anyways, that's all I have for today.